question, when do I get started creating an online business? Because a lot of people are discovering the power of the internet and want to leverage this phenomena to create their own online business. But they don't know when to start, and they are always waiting to get the right circumstances to start something new. But it's very important that you have to bear in mind, if you want to reach your goal, if you have to set a goal to create a life of freedom and flexibility, it's a whole journey. It's not that you within one day or within 1 week you create that lifestyle. It doesn't work like that. You have to become realistic about that. But when is the best day to start creating that lifestyle? And it really doesn't matter, because it's about the journey. And in this journey, you will, there will be all kinds of circumstances, because that's just life. Take a look at your whole life, and there will be good days, there will be bad days, and this will continue on and on and on and on. So it's not more about when to start, it's just get started and learn how to deal with circumstances. And that's the key factor to reach your goals in a positive kind of way. So thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.